Hello, I'm Dr. Snuggles, and today we're talking to a street cat freed from the clutches of death. Bubbles is his name, and he has one amazing story.
When I ran away from home, I was looking for fun and adventure. I have a lot of guilt I have to deal with on a day-to-day basis. I carry a lot on my shoulders. I never imagined my situation would become so desperate. I never knew how to appreciate my life until I came so close to losing it.
You've been traumatized by this,
Yes, I have, Dr. Snuggles.
but you choose this life for yourself.
No, I didn't choose this life for myself.
But didn't you? Kind of. I mean, by your own admission, you said you ran away from home. I can play the tape back.
You don't have to play the tape back.
So you ran away from home.
Well, if that's the words I use, then yes, but I tend to think of it as a freeing of my soul from the trappings of suburban life.
So you freed your soul from the trappings. And where did your soul go?
The Penthouse Club of New Orleans.